Hello, St. Louis. My name is Mon Trice, and I want to welcome you to the St. Louis Public Library Storyboard Walk here in Ruth Porter Mall Park on the Greenway Chase. So, this is a chance to take a walk or a bike ride along the trail and read a story while you do it. So, every single month, the library will feature a brand new book. For the month of May, the book is, drumroll please, Cannon's Crash Course, written by me, Mon Trice, and illustrated by Kababi Bayak. So, welcome. Let's begin our story walk. Cannon had a new orange bike, the smallest on his street. Bright reflectors, big red flag, and horn that honked. Beep, beep. He watched his older brothers ride, Mikhail, Fred, and Drew, but when it came to riding his, he did not have a clue. Today will be the day, he said. I'll teach myself to ride. He strapped the helmet to his head and took his bike outside. He wobbled, then turned left, but forgot to use his brakes. He crashed into T. Baker and made him drop his cakes. He plowed over some daisies and nearly squashed a pup, but when he landed on his head, he shouted, I give up. T. Baker came to help him, pink frosting on his head. He picked him up and wiped him clean, and this is what he said. When things go wrong, as some things do, you must not have a fit. You think it over, try again, but most of all, don't quit. He knew the words T spoke were true. They quieted his fears. He picked up his bike, rehung the flag, and wiped away his tears. He didn't wiggle or wobble. He'd given it his all. His paths were straight, his turns were tight. He rode and did not fall. T. Baker clapped, jumped up and down, smiled at the tyke with pride. In Cannon's heart, he'd not forget the day he learned to ride. The end.